Do you know how many Tesla factories there are in the world? The answer may surprise you. There are currently 6 operational Tesla facilities globally, each playing a pivotal role in the company's ambitious vision for the future of sustainable energy and transportation. Today, we delve into the story of these factories, their unique characteristics, and how they're shaping the future of Tesla. Our journey starts in the Golden State, California, where Tesla's first manufacturing plant, Fremont factory, came to life in 2010. This facility was a former General Motors and Toyota joint venture, and Tesla transformed it into a beacon of electric vehicle production. Today, the Fremont factory serves as the birthplace of the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y vehicles, churning them out at an astonishing rate. Next, we fly over to the Netherlands, where the Tilburg assembly plant was established in 2013. This European facility is not just an assembly plant, but also a service centre and the European Parts Distribution Centre. It plays a crucial role in Tesla's European operations, assembling Model S and Model X vehicles for the European market. In 2014, Tesla started the construction of its first Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. This facility focuses on battery and powertrain production, vital components for Tesla's electric vehicles and energy storage products. The Gigafactory Nevada is also the largest battery factory in the world, and its scale is a testament to Tesla's commitment to accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. The journey then takes us to Buffalo, New York, where the Gigafactory 2 started operations in 2017. This factory is a key player in Tesla's clean energy efforts, primarily producing solar cells and modules. The high-efficiency solar panels and solar roof tiles that roll out of this factory are crucial components of Tesla's renewable energy ecosystem. 2018 marked the beginning of Tesla's expansion into China with the establishment of the Gigafactory Shanghai. This factory is Tesla's first manufacturing facility outside the United States and is responsible for producing Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for the Chinese market. Notably, Gigafactory Shanghai went from an empty plot to a functioning factory in just under a year, a testament to Tesla's agility and speed. Our final stop is in Berlin, Germany, where Tesla's newest Gigafactory, Gigafactory Berlin, was established in 2020. This facility is Tesla's most advanced manufacturing plant to date, incorporating a myriad of improvements over previous factories. It's slated to produce batteries, battery packs, and powertrains, as well as assemble the new Model Y. So there you have it, the 6 factories that are powering Tesla's mission towards a sustainable future. Each facility has its unique role and contribution, from the Fremont factory's vehicle production to Gigafactory Nevada's battery manufacturing, from Gigafactory 2's solar products to Gigafactory Shanghai's role in Tesla's global expansion. And with Gigafactory Berlin, Tesla is pushing the envelope of what's possible in manufacturing efficiency and innovation. These factories are not just buildings, they are the heartbeat of Tesla, the engines driving the company's vision of a world powered by sustainable energy. As we look to the future, we can only expect this heart to beat faster, driving Tesla and the world towards a cleaner, greener future.